Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to look at a clear case from Adidas for your iPhone 13 Max, the protective clear case. Here we go. So let's start the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a case that's from Adidas. This is a glitter clear case that does offer protection, as you guys can see. So you guys could pause that and read it for yourself. You definitely can. On the back here, the brand with the 3 stripes. Big shout out to Adidas for actually sending this out to me. So let's just pop this baby open. You have a little bit of a tag here, so let's pop this out. Okay, just like so. Alright. So here's what it looks like. It does have a glittery type look. I'm trying to see if I could pick it up on camera. It's pretty hard to see it on camera, but there's little specks all over this case. I'm trying to see if I could get it on camera. Let's see if we could try to figure this out. Here we have the fake iPhone here. So let's try. Okay, so you can't see it just a little bit, and you do have that Adidas logo right there. Definitely a nice looking case, very sturdy as well. And you do have the clear side, so you can't see the Sierra blue. Alright, so let's just pop this baby in. Very simple. Put it on one side and just click the back. This is what it looks like. It's really hard to see the glitter on camera, but it is definitely shining for sure. Alright, so as far as the lip action for the camera itself, here's what it looks like. Very minimal, but it is there. You can actually see the sides, which is pretty good as well. And you do have the glitter on the sides as well, so it will showcase all around the phone. It doesn't show on the bottom. Does it show on the bottom? It does a little bit, but on the top it does really well. But here's what it looks like. You guys let me know what you guys think. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think. That glitter is all the way around. On the sides as well, a little bit on the bottom, but a lot on the top. You guys let me know. As far as the lip action for the sides, is definitely there as well. Not gonna make the video super long because you could barely see the glittering shine to it, but in person it's definitely a lot. It's crazy that my camera can't really pick it up that well. It looks like a clear case. It looks like a regular. Oh, here we go. There you go. I just have to shine the light on it. There you go. Alright, so what do you guys think about it so far? Definitely a nice looking clear case to showcase the color of the phone, and it does add a little bit of protection for the camera and for the front of the phone as well. So I do have a tempered glass on there, so it is raised just a little bit, but as you guys can see, it looks pretty damn good. The power button is clicky, and the volume up and down a little bit clicky as well, and you have your access to your mute and toggle switch with no problems. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this case from Adidas. Definitely a nice looking case, and definitely a case to love if you guys love that glittery look. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 13 Pro Max and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.